Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I have this 20-piece, 80mm clear ornamental party piece here. So let's open it up, take a look at it. So we are getting near the holidays, and ornaments are a huge thing. So what you are getting is you are basically getting these two clear pieces that go together, and then they're like decoration ornaments. So you can, and it comes with the ornamental string in here, which is pretty cool. You can pull one of these guys through. So you can put that through, and then you're basically locking it like threading a needle. But you get that really cool decorative gold piece to it, and you can take a look. I mean, you get a lot of pieces that are in here. So that's pretty cool. With the holidays coming up, you can make your own little ornaments, and I always like to see basically about how big they are, so you can kind of like see that, like how big that actually is, and then you can see how many you get in the case. So you know, that's quite a bit, and I love the fact that it actually comes with the like the string for that as well. So that is a cool little pack of stuff. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Happy holidays, and let the festivities begin.